Yo, what's going on, you guys? It's FunTube Aviation here, back at it again with another video. And in today's video, we're starting the first of 5 in this new series, this new haul. As you can see, we got 5 new models. You can already tell what 2 of them are, and you can already tell what the first video is going to be. But yeah, I'm super excited. Over the next 5 weeks, we're going to be doing this one. And then in there, I'm going to scatter in as a second upload per week, probably a trip report or a airport update. But yeah, next 5 weeks, we got 5 bangers right here. I mean, yeah, I'm really excited. And then after that, we got the Christmas haul. So let's go ahead and just get started with this one. The first one up is this NG Models Delta Airbus A321-200. So this is the first in this series. This is my second NG model, and it's another Delta. So, you know, we always love Deltas on this channel. But yeah, let's go ahead and dive right on into this review. So on the front here, you have your the front of your NG Models box. NG Models always does a great job with the boxes. They never look the same. They're always different. They're always cool. But that's the front. Here are the sides of the box. I mean, I really like this box. I really like the design. The back. No flap, so super easy to get these videos done. There's a little less things to show, but yeah, here is the model. I picked this model up off of one of my good friends. He used to have a YouTube channel, and we used to collab. We have a few videos on this channel created together. You can look up in the top right of your screen, and you see one of our more popular videos that we created together. But here is the model. It's a beautiful A321, and it's going to be great for the collection, for the airport. And I'm super excited now, and I got this one for an amazing deal because he's such an amazing friend. But yeah, this is the model. It's a very nice model. NG Models always does a good job. This is one of the older ones. This one's from like 2020, so no quality control issues. But I think now they're struggling with some quality controls, and it's my second one. My first one is this Southwest 737-800 right here in the Kenya blue livery. But yeah, guys, that will do it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I will see you next week for another one. And yeah, guys, thank you all so much for watching. This is FunTube Aviation signing off.
right.